Brian Kelly here for the Honda Giant, here to show you this 2022 Honda Odyssey EXL. Just came in on trade. It's got 59,000 miles, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and back, chrome accented grille, fog lights, Lexan covered wraparound headlights, 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheel, lots of tread on the tires, dyed rocker panels to help protect rock chips, reinforced steel door beams, solar ray tinted glass, dual pop sliding doors, track forward seating, give you easy access to the third row. Odyssey has passed our mechanical inspections, being sold as a certified car. So you get the remainder of 5 years or 100,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from American Honda. Wraparound tail light, high mount brake light, rear window defrost and wiper, power rear tailgate, backup camera, also remote start. 60/40 fold down seat for the third row. They'll lay down flat into the floor. All the mats are here. Storage, subwoofer, power outlet. More storage on the other side. Odyssey is a 8-passenger vehicle. Lots of legroom space. Second row seats are adjustable to give you more legroom space in the third row. Mat pockets, cup holders, USB charging. Latch system for child safety seat, +1 seating. That seat will come out if you need the additional space, or fold down for armrest. Cup holders and child security door lock. 8-way power driver seat with adjustable lumbar. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats and mirrors, cup holders and storage in the door. Ask to see the free CARFAX report and mechanical inspection sheet. Under the hood we have the 3.5 Earth-Dream iVTEC 6-cylinder motor. Odyssey is front wheel drive. 4-channel independent anti-lock brakes for your safety, centrally located fuse box, easy access or a clear reservoir for your windshield washer fluid, engine coolant, insulated dipstick for oil check and oil fill, clear reservoir for your power brakes, easy access to your air filter, and maintenance-free battery. On the interior, you have safety for everyone, reduced force driver and passenger side airbag, side impact and side curtain airbags, front and back, fingertip control for your radio, cruise, adaptive and lane keep assist, telescopic tilt steering, intermittent wiper for the front, wiper control for the back, leather wrapped steering wheel and seats, locking adjustable driver and passenger armrest, console with storage, auxiliary USB, cup holders, lots of storage, USB and power outlet, coin tray, automatic transmission, heated driver and passenger seat, independent heating and air conditioning controls for driver, passenger, and the rear, touchscreen radio with knob, auto dimming, day-night mirror, home link system, map light, sunglass holder with conversation mirror, and power mirror.
Thanks, Brian. And for Nebraska's largest selection of Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, go to HondaCarsOfBellevue.com. Each has passed a rigorous 182-point inspection, is up to date on maintenance, and comes with a CARFAX history report. Serving the heartland for over 35 years, one happy Honda customer at a time. Honda Cars of Bellevue. One small step off Kennedy Freeway, one giant Honda savings store.